Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the phone is unlocked and supports the T-Mobile SIM type. This avoids wasted steps later. Once you have your ICSID, account login, and valid ID, power down the phone to protect the card and electronics. Use the SIM eject tool, align the nano SIM so the gold contacts face the phone, and gently seat it in the tray. Then close the tray and power the device back on so the network can detect the card. Once the phone boots, open the T-Mobile activation flow in the app or website and enter the ICSID or scan the QR code if you're using eSIM, because the carrier needs that identifier to provision service. Make sure you select the correct plan and billing details so the number links to your account. If data doesn't work after provisioning, manually set the APN to fast. T-Mobile. Calm and then restart the phone to complete network registration and ensure voice and data are active. You finish by making a test call, sending an SMS, and loading a web page to confirm voice and data work. Check the signal bars and LTE or 5G icon for proper registration. Once confirmed, move contacts, set up voicemail, and accept any carrier settings updates the phone prompts you to install. If you don't get service, reset the SIM, verify the APN and account activation status, restart the device, and only then contact T-Mobile support so you can provide exact errors for quicker resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.